Assalamualaikum. We're going to make Alfredo pasta. This is about a cup of Parmesan cheese, a teaspoon of garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, red chili crushed peppers. This is Italian herbs, mixed herbs, jalapenos, salt, olive oil. This is chicken and mushrooms and pasta boiled. So we're just simply going to add a bit of olive oil. We're going to saute the chicken. Just add the chicken and the mushrooms. Saute chicken. Add salt according to your taste. Add the mixed herbs. It's about a teaspoon. I like it spicy, so add a bit of crushed pepper. Saute it well till the chicken is cooked. Add the jalapenos. You just have to cook it till the chicken is cooked. And that'll be about in just a few minutes. About 5 minutes. Saute it well. Those spices, जब आपको fragrant हो उसकी smell, that means it's cooked, almost cooked. And the water it leaves, the chicken जो है जब automatically dried हो. Let's just check it. Slightly here. The chicken is almost done. After that, we're going to add milk and the cheese. Add about 2 cups of milk. This is a cup measurement. It's about slightly, exactly 2 cups up. If you want it slightly running, so you add more milk. Agar you want a thick paste, to phir kam. But it's about 2 cups of milk. We're just going to simply add the cheese. That's Parmesan cheese. And as we add it, you'll see the sauce will start thickening. Just keep stirring it until it's slightly thick. And I boiled the pasta. हल्का सा इसके ऊपर oregano, थोड़ा सा. And mix. Simply mix it. And your pasta is almost ready. For garnish, you can add a bit of parsley if you want fresh, the better. And lastly, for garnish, I love to add sun-dried tomatoes. I love the flavor. And your pasta is almost ready to serve. And the pasta is done. I hope you enjoy that. And it hardly takes you 10 minutes to do it. And do join OnePlatter for more quick recipes. Thank you.